Hey y'all, welcome. Thanks for tuning in again. So here this time I will be talking about the Epic Mascara with Younique, and I do have our lash serum, and I will be doing my eyebrows even though I have great eyebrows already. Thank you for watching my other videos on Trista's makeup tutorials. I welcome all of y'all and I hope you like it. So I will be starting with the lash serum. This is a serum. Here's a brush, and it helps grow your lashes if you have nice small tiny lashes, and it also gives it length and volume. So you do put this on every time before you go to bed. And you also put this on before you do your mascara, just like I'm doing right now. So you will take the bristles, go downwards, and then you put it on the tips going upwards. And I will be doing the other eye. So down and up. You will let that dry before you put your Epic Mascara on. And if you have never tried the Epic Mascara, you should totally try it. If you have tried the 3D Fiber Lash Mascara, which is these right here, so 2 tubes. You have the fibers and the gel. You have not seen amazing yet. This Epic Mascara is totally epic. One step, one coat, no clumps, no fibers, easy peasy, as I say. So here is the brush. And I will show you how I apply it as soon as my lashes dry. So let's first go ahead and finish my eyebrows while my eyelashes are drying. You just want to do a little line underneath, not too heavy. Since I have really nice full eyebrows already, I don't need too much. And I am using the Younique eyeliner pencil in brown, but it's great for my eyebrows. So this lash brush comb works amazing. Awesome, eyebrows are done. Alrighty, so since our lash serum on my eyelashes are finished drying, I will be doing our Epic Mascara now. So you just want to do one nice sweep on your lashes. So you will go over your lashes, and it does help them curl up, which is amazing. I love it. I can use this mascara on my lashes over and over. I can just keep applying it. It's liquid gold, y'all. Okay, I'll stop. So there's Epic Mascara. There's no clumps. You see how it curls it all up to the top already. Let me fix this. Okay, I'll go on to the next eye. But as you can see, it's so amazing. So, there you have it. Epic Mascara, $24. How awesome and affordable is that? And it's like liquid gold. It's epic! Oh my lord. That's Epic Mascara, y'all. Awesome. Alrighty, so there was Epic Mascara I showed y'all. I'm so excited. So excited I can scream right now. So, there you have it. Epic Mascara, the lash serum, my other videos. Y'all are more welcome to go watch. They are pretty exciting. And if y'all have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I am again Trista Holloway, and this is my makeup tutorials from Younique. Please like, please share, please subscribe. I appreciate everything that y'all do for me. I love y'all. Y'all are my viewers. And y'all have a great day. Have an epic day. Bye.